What is going on, guys? In this video, we will be doing an unboxing of a PSA submission. So I've been grading for about 7 to 8 years now, mainly Pokemon cards. I don't think I've actually graded anything other than Pokemon cards. And this is my PSA submission back. I haven't done one in a while. I just recently did a tag submission. And it was actually really great. I really enjoyed tag. I wanted to see what the hype was about, and I have to say tag was pretty great. But let's talk about PSA here. So these grades going into them, I knew I was probably going to get some bad grades. These were just childhood cards. I am a slabs person. I like keeping my cards in their slabs. We'll just put that to the side. That was the order. And I actually had a total of 7 cards, but there's only 6 in here because one of them I sent off with PSA. It came back a 9 just to sell with them. They sell it on eBay for you, and I wanted to test that out and see what that mechanic, how that worked and all that. That being said, guys, we have 6 total cards here. Like I said, I knew the grades probably weren't going to be too good. 2 of them did get decent grades. I thought they might get a little bit better. I thought I might get a 10 on one of these, but I wasn't hoping for it. One of them looked pretty close. I actually just sold it out of the recording, right after recording this video. I posted on eBay. That's where I usually do sales. So if you guys are interested in these, do check out my eBay. Links are down in the description below of my channel. And if you're just looking for it, Fatal Reaper is the same name on my eBay, YouTube, and whatnot for all that. So if you guys want to see or purchase any of these, so let's get into it. I'm not gonna hide the grades like most streamers or YouTubers do. We're just gonna show you the grades. First up, we got a Mew EX. This is actually from my childhood binder, and I got a PSA 5. I pretty much figured this would be a PSA 5, to be honest with you. If it was anything higher, I would have been shocked because it was pretty old. Pretty dingy, so to speak, and does have a lot of whitening on the bottom and stuff like that. I tried to show it up to the light over there. Sorry for the lighting issue, but it got a 5. It's not too bad. $150 I think it's worth. I was kind of feeling the slabs. I'm not gonna lie. PSA slabs felt like they were a little bit more thicker before, and they feel a little bit more thinner and cheaper now. I don't know if that's a common thing, and I'm not trying to hate on them at all for that, but it just seems a little off compared to what I'm used to, especially for the almost 8 years that I've used them. So, we got a Charmander from Obsidian Flames. This is the one I just sold here shortly after recording the video. It is a PSA 9. Love the card, but a lot of these were going for selling to make a little bit of profit if I could. Some of them, of course, were just childhood cards, like the Mew over there. Just wanted that for my personal collection. Like I said, the slabs felt kind of like, a little thin, but anyways, we got a PSA 9 on this. I thought we would get a 10, honestly. The centering wasn't too bad. I won't go over that crazy enough. But yeah, the slab's quality is a little, and I'll do a test later on that. I have a tag slab over here. Wanted to show you guys. I do a test on these, and I will be doing a full-length video test on both the PSA and the tag. Personally, though, I think their slabs just feel a little bit, a little bit thinner. So, that being said, guys, let's, see, here's here's the tag slab I was talking about. They just seem a lot thicker as far as tag slabs versus PSA. And like I said, I'll do a full-length video on a PSA versus tag on that. But that is of course, the tag card there, or the PSA card here, Charmander from Obsidian Flames. Like I said, I do sell these on my eBay and whatnot and all that. Next up, we got Greninja Gold Star. I did thought this would at least get a 9. I do know this centering is like way off on the front. It wasn't too bad. The back is pretty too. But other than that, it had no specs, no marks, no nothing. So I was like, maybe get at least a 9, but it got an 8. Again, makes sense. But PSA doesn't offer, like, the tag offers a QR code to tell you why your card got that grade. But, obviously the Greninja Gold Star did get an 8. I can kind of see that, but I do feel like that should have got a 9. Here's another one from my childhood. This is a Politoed EX from, I want to say it's, I don't think it's Hollow Phantoms. I can't remember quite which set that was. Silver, Golden Sky is from the set for the Japanese that it actually is, but I always wanted the actual English version, and we couldn't obviously find that when I was a kid, and my mom actually for my birthday got me that card, so that is actually from my childhood card. We got another one. This is a Pidgeot EX. The centering is slightly off. I thought about cracking this and sending it to another grading company. I know the centering is slightly off, but there's like nothing else wrong with it. It had no dings. It had no whitening, really. I didn't see almost anything on it. I was really hoping it might get a 10. But that centering, I think, is just slightly out of that 45-55 range. And it sadly didn't get one, but it got a 9, so not too bad. It is a pretty card. Do love the Pidgeot EX from Obsidian Flames. So yeah, it wasn't too bad, but I do enjoy the artwork on it, so that's obviously why I got it graded. And of course, here is the prime of my collection here. Now, this sadly isn't from my childhood collection personally, like the actual card. The other two were. This one, though, is the first EX I ever pulled as a child. When I was opening cards in Walmart parking lot, actually, I pulled, the first pack I ever opened was a EX Legend Maker, and I pulled a Dustox EX, and that was the first EX I ever pulled. Like I said, the Politoed and the Mew here are kind of nostalgia. Those are from my actual personal collection as a child. Got those graded, and the Dustox was just the first card I ever pulled, so I did buy this offline and then got it graded. So 7's not bad. That, guys, is my PSA submission. We'll be selling these on my eBay, a few of them, if you guys want them. Keeping some for the personal collection, of course. But if you guys are interested, go ahead over my eBay and stuff like that. We'll be doing a tag versus PSA slabs in comparison and stuff like that, and maybe a break test and some other videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.